Hey patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, so Peter Bunting run out and basically criticize the JLP government with the crime reduction we then get for 2024. Apparently, Bunting no please, a win is a win. You see me? Let's celebrate the crime reduction for 2024. We don't know if a jealousy because him never do a good job when him did in a power. So I could go into the story and check out what Bunting have to say, and the Labour right clap back at Bunting. So we are going to get into that as well. Welcome back to another episode where Jamaican politics meets primetime drama. Today, it's Peter Bunting versus the JLP in the ultimate blame game over crime. Grab your popcorn. And we're not talking artists. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more juicy updates on Jamaica's political and social scene. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. I could get into it now. Let's kick it off. The issue at hand. Now, picture this. Let's start with Senator Bunting, the opposition spokesman on national security. He's calling out the government's over-reliance on state of public emergency, or SOEs, claiming it's cost the nation clearly in lives lost. According to Bunting, this one-size-fits-all approach to crime fighting is like using a machete when you need a scalpel. Effective, maybe, but reckless. Scalpel have to do surgical precision operation. Bunting claims frequent SOEs since 2018 haven't proven to significantly curb violent crimes. Former police commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson was too focused on SOEs, neglecting other crime fighting strategies. Bunting argues that building up the Jamaica Defense Force JDF was a mistake. Resources should have gone to strengthen the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF. Because what's a better way to fight street level crime than bringing in an army that's trained for combat zones, not community policing, right? I don't know about you, but don't you just find it strange when everybody in a opposition, they're full of brilliant ideas, they have all of the solutions, them come up with all of the answers until they go in a power. And when they go in a power, nothing gets done, like absolutely nothing gets done. You are criticized PM Holness and his administration for actually doing a good job on fighting crime. Let me put that into context. When me say doing a good job for fighting crime, me attack for the year 2024. Them do a good job for fight crime in 2024. So that's why we are see the reduction. Zine, whereas you did come on national TV and a ball about divine intervention. We saw you, we remember. You have a job to do. You don't get to cry and talk about Uncle God can help you. Do your job so you don't have no place to come now and I criticize the significant reduction where PM Holness and the JLP administration pull off, which is a good job. Any crime reduction is a good job. Anyway, let me continue. Enter the drama. JLP fires back. No, the JLP wasn't about to take Bunting's comment lying down. Marlon Morgan, a member of the JLP's communications task force, fired back with precision. His message: Bunting's criticism of National Security Ministry, Dr. Horace Chang, lacked context. JLP's argument: SOEs have played a key role in reducing crime, claiming murders would be much higher without them. Facts, not accurate. The 2024 murder rate saw a 19% drop, with 265 fewer murders compared to 2023. Come on now, Senator Bunting, numbers don't lie. The government credits this success to a multi-pronged strategy that includes SOEs as just one tool in the crime-fighting arsenal. Now we're not at the football team. Is it just me, or does it sound like the JLP say? We're not saying SOEs are perfect, but hey, it's better than nothing. Let's hold that thought as we get into the next chapter of this story. The numbers don't lie, or do they? Here's where the plot thickens. Senior Superintendent Dennis Brooks of the JCF revealed that 2024's 19% reduction in murders was a moral booster for police. He attributed this success to 1. Disrupting gang activity. 2. Increased capacity of the JCF to address crime effectively, meaning the increased capacity equals more boots on the ground. Brooks didn't outright credit SOEs, but hinted at the importance of a multi-pronged approach. But here's the kicker. Is this reduction in crime a fluke or the start of a long-term trend? And if SOEs weren't the magic bullet, what was? Let us know your theories in the comments while we dive deeper into the battle of words between Bunting and the JLP. Here's a summary of the highlights and key points. 1. Bunting's stance. Live loss due to the over-reliance on SOEs. JDF got resources that should have gone to JCF. 2. JLP's counter. Crime would be worse without SOEs. 2024 saw a 19% drop in murders. 3. JCF insight. Improve capacity and strategies led to reduced murders. Gang activity disruptions are ongoing. Drop a comment. Team SOE or Team Bunting? Now let's get into my reaction, my breakdown, and my commentary. You see, only in a country like Jamaica, a politician like Peter Bunting can come out and talk in a way how him talk with such. Cause him talk like say, him did do a better job and him did actually a work. The record is there, him never do a good job for fight crime. You know, see what happened to Justin Trudeau? In serious countries, when politicians underperform and they lose the popularity of the masses, which are them boss, the masses call for their resignation. You see, Jamaican politicians then too comfortable. Them can go in a power, underperform, do the bare minimum, come out of power, go in a opposition, and then have the most talk upon a problem where them never fix. Only in a country like Jamaica. And the reason why Bunting and other politicians can get away with being mediocre and underperforming and come out and make big talk are because them boss, which is the Jamaican masses, the Jamaican people, now fire them. The Jamaican people now call for their resignation and I say, yo, you not perform, you have to step down, you have to resign. I don't recall Peter Bunting being a good Minister of National Security. I can't recall that. So how him come out and attack so strong? Like him have a record where he can reference and say, oh, see me did bring it to 1,000, yeah? Wanna bring it to 1,000 or something, so wanna still not reach my level. We don't have much more work to do. That is not the case. All I need Bunting to do is let's hope him take notes. You see me? And him see where the crime fighting plan where the JLP implement, where him can improve upon it and make it better. That more Bunting to do. When he come in a power, that's what I expect him to do. You see him full of talk now and I criticize the crime reduction for 2024. Let's hope him take notes for Horace Chang and improve upon them said notes there and say, alright, them do this, we can take it to a next level. Them bring it to your son, we can bring it under 1,000. We can bring murders way under 1,000. And them type of competition there, me expect from the two parties. And so me expect them for work. Now come out and criticize when you never do a better job. You actually do a worse job. Cause them do what you never do. Even though they do it on the 9th year of them in office. But we still take the win. Now Peter Bunting run out and criticize the state of emergency, SOE. State of emergencies actually work and they are effective. So now you know my style already. Me love compare and contrast. We are gonna go at El Salvador. Everybody know about President Bukele from El Salvador, how in turn El Salvador from the most dangerous crime-riddled place on earth to one of the safest places on the planet with extreme low crime reduction, like super low. Jamaica can only dream to get them numbers there, but we are gonna get there. So part of Bukele's crime strategy was SOEs, like major SOEs. That was one of the #1 crime fighting strategy that El Salvador used to get their numbers to where it's at now. SOEs. So me would never bash the SOE. Me can't bash the SOE like Bunting. Me feel like maybe there is some jealousy. Say the JLP actually get the numbers down and Bunting never able to do it. You see me? Instead the man doing job, the man come on national TV a cry. What you ball about? You have a job to do your job. I make you look like say, oh, you're helpless and you can't do nothing. You are the Minister of National Security. You have the JCF and the JDF at your disposal. Oh, you make you look like you're helpless. But I guess you never have no strategy, no idea how to fight crime. So you come and find excuses and I blame God and I say only God can help we. And we know if the JLP never get this nice reduction, you would still criticize them, say they can't fight crime. So it's a lose-lose situation when the opposition are going to criticize you. So me don't know where Bunting come out and rant and talk about. But this is a win when it comes to the crime reduction for the JLP. I only wish them did do this from the first term. You see me? Because them get this in the 9th year of them in a power. So 2025 are going to be the 10th year the JLP in a power. So a year 9, which is 2024, the JLP get the reduction. And we hope the JLP maintain this and even accelerate and press the gas even further with how them a fight crime. Go even harder. Cause it come like, you don't want to take credit for some things, you want to take credit for and say, look, we actually do a better job at fighting crime. In 2024, we get significant result. Boom, 2025, we get under 1,000 murders in Jamaica. And then goals they aim, you're not supposed to aim for outshine the other party. That's what smart people would do. That's what I would do. So me actually feel say if PM Holness did go hard on crime the real way, that would be a major election campaign point when you could have campaign pan. Like seriously. Despite the Integrity Commission investigation, people would have overlooked that. And so well at least he get murders under 1,000. So guess what? Make we keep him and give him a 3rd term. But no, for them focus not there so. As they say common sense not that common. There is no serious competition between the JLP and the PMP. You know? The two of them mediocre at best when it comes to underperformance and under delivering. So me can't celebrate mediocrity with everybody else. No, that's why I know everybody a critical thinker. Me tell you now, a lot of people need to go study El Salvador, how them reduce their crime rate. You see me? And the people them love President Nayib Bukele. That the man they cannot lose no election. All because he fix one of the people's #1 issue and concern. He actually address something where the people them did really concern and care about. And he can't lose one next election. And our politician them Now work so hard for fight crime, but yet they want stay in a power for 3 and 4 term. For what? No man, you have a job for do your job. Cause we there for praise you and give you credit, you know. Cause that one soon do. But you can't work and then I expect with a praise mediocre performance. Average at best performance. Not doing no work at worst. So, who's winning this political blame game? Is Peter Bunting onto something with this critique? Or is the JLP right to double down on SOEs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Jamaica's biggest issues. And hey, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. One love, Jamaica.